everybody and welcome back. It's been a long time since I've been here. The weather is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to make the full use of that fact. Today I'm using my umamex Mp40 German Legend. As you can see, full metal construction. If I get the mag out, weight for weight, it's 1 for 1. 4.5mm ball bearings I'm using. You chamber it with the CO2 goes in the bottom. 2 bottles in this, 1 up, 1 down, and then you just tighten the end on and then it's ready to rock. Right, I've got different variety of targets from top, cream, melons, water, blah 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 blah. You've seen it all before. Right, I'm going to set the first one up. I'm going to get cracking with it. Such a beautiful gun. Oh yes, and it also has blowback as well, so you get to feel it when you shoot it. So we'll set up and we'll get cracking. Right, the family favourite. Put you there. Everybody, it's different everywhere else, but it's freeway here because it's from Aldi. Right. Because of the laws and regulations in this country, you can't have it fully automatic, so it only fires as fast as you pull that trigger. So that's something to think about. Get some more, lad. All day, all day. That'll do. Right. Right, it's gonna be fun. La la la, move the camera so you get to see us actually doing it. Oh, almost forgot. Legs. Safety is a key factor when using a gun like this. Right. See if I can get a good few shots with it. Right. And I'm out. That's such a good gun, that is such a good gun. Well, it absolutely shreds absolutely everything you shoot at. There's one. This one's still got a bit of pop in it, and that's bleeding. Literally put a nice little gash, and you can see how it's gone right the way through it. Beautiful. Sticky now. I'll have to make sure I wipe my hands before I touch it again. Right, next one. Maybe watermelon? Maybe? Right, we'll see anyway, we'll see which one. Right, I think for the next one, I'm going to use this. Watermelon time. Right. I'm using it anyway to shoot at it. Right. Move you over, get you closer. It's a shame it's just me doing this. See if I can get you get close to it. Maybe I get a better good shot on it like that. Right. Load it up. Let's crack on. Ready? Empty. That was a quick little burst. I mean, seeing that I didn't put as many as I wanted in it, like. Well, let's have a look at the damage. Put this over there. Hasn't actually made it through. It has actually punched it into it though. You've obviously seen the juice fly out of it. Right. I think I'm going to put some more. I'm going to load it up again. I'm going to fully load it, and I'm going to lace into that again actually. Right, back to being fully loaded. Let's crack on. And I'm out. Just double check. Yep, I'm out. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at this old damage. Holy shit. Well, it went all the way through it, as you can see, look. It's even cracked it. Shit. Damn. That is a strong gun, like. It's even got all the BBs here, look, that's bounced all over the shop. But, as is the way, because a lot of people will be thinking, wait, I can just reuse them, but you can't. As soon as you fire them, you can't reuse them. Because you get little cracks, little scratches, and it causes a gun to jam. Squidgy. Actually, I'm going to get loaded up and I'm going to do that again. I'm going to hit in this again because I want it to, like, do you know what I mean? Like, right, I'll get loaded up and get cracking again. On second thoughts, I think it's died enough. So I'm going to use this. Cream. That's what I'm going to use. I'm going to get quite close to it because I fancy getting covered. So, what I'm going to do is, because I fancy the camera getting covered as well, I'm going to put you there, and then get close enough to it, but we'll see what happens. Oh dear! Alright. Oh, there's cream all over here and everything. That was brilliant. 10 out of 10 for splat. Yeah, right. Right, what I'm going to do, right, you can see here, cream, 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 and that's where it fired over there. And you can see on my tripod, look. Yes. Fabulous. It's even managed, as you can see, look. It's come all the way up here. It's over here. It's on my bag. On there. It's not in the gun, like, which I'm quite shocked at, but that was definitely interesting. Right. It's a shame I need to get somebody to do a cameraman for us. If you know anybody, let us know. Be interesting. Right. Because of what happened, let's really spice her up a bit. Yeah, because I need to wash all this off, so what's better than extra fizzy lemonade? Right. Right. Can you see alright? Yeah, can you see alright? Marvellous. Right, here we go. Crack on. Oh, there you go. Oh. And there it is. Hit it. And I'm out. Oh, the cat. Can you still see us? Yeah. You're all fuzzy, look. Oh. Just wipe you down a bit. Well, that was fun and games. That was fun and games, alright. Well, can you see any of them in there? No, because they went all the way through it. Literally all the way through it. All right. Oh dear. It even landed over the table here. The gun is covered. Fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. Well, I can definitely say that gun is definitely one of the best purchases I've ever had. Running out of stuff now. Aye. I'll wash it off with some water. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. It's only because I like carnage, that's all it is. Right. Some water. I'm going to use the rest of my pop. I was going to have one to drink on the way home, but this is better. Just better. Right, just better. Right, load up, crack on. In the mood, I'm mood. Yep, definitely out. Water over here, there's pop over here, there's this, there's that. Well, and now it's happened to them, so I'm not too fussed. Right. Jesus, it's still fizzing, look. Don't know why it's fizzing. Did I actually get that one? Oh yeah. 1. Oh, 2. 3. 4. Safe. Safe. That's safe. Safe. So it went through the cans and through the bottles. Mint. Just wash that off. Yeah, you can. Put you over there. Yeah, you wash it. Yep. Just wash the table all over me. Well, that's going to do for this quick little video because it's a new toy. So let me know down in the comments what you thought of the Mp40. Me personally, I just think it's a cracking bit of kit. The weight of it, the feel of it when you shoot it, the blowback, and pile of carnage. So if you find you're at home and you've got one of these and somebody like a tin can rocks up, or a bottle of lemonade, or a watermelon, then yes, you can do some damage with it. Yeah, right. But like I say, leave us a comment down what you think of this gun. I will do a review on this gun, and yeah, we'll just go from there. You'll probably see the videos I've done today on my review for this gun, and for the money, this gun is tremendous. Absolutely tremendous. You can pick them up around about 300 quid, something thereabouts. I don't know what that is in dollars, but you can pick them up around about 300. And yeah, it's just carnage. Carnage. Everything is all about carnage. That's what it's all about. It's all about fun. Anything about what you do. If you enjoy it, puts a smile on your face, that's the right move for you. Right? And I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Costs you out, so why wouldn't you? See you in the next one. Bye.